Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, thank you so much for coming back to watch. Today I am going to do a tutorial on 5 different eyeliner styles using my Maze Cali liner. So basically just a simple tutorial on how to do a basic, a cat eye, a straight edge, an Egyptian, and a Cleopatra eyeliner. These are pretty much the top 5 eyeliners I would say that everyone uses when they go out. So style number 1 is very basic. You kind of just want to start the inside of your eye and bring it out. A lot of times I start in the middle as well, just because it's sometimes hard to get in the inside. And you can always touch up and fix anything that you see. Okay, the next style is a straight edge, which is one of my favorites. Okay guys, the next look is going to be a cat eye. It's not going to be as bold, but you can always make it bolder, I guess. It always depends on your preference, so. Next I'm going to do the Cleopatra for you. This is a very bold look. It's actually good maybe for this month because Halloween is coming up. So if you're doing an Egyptian look or some costume like that, this might be a good look for you. And the last is going to be the Arabic eyeliner. This one is basically just like the Cleopatra, except it's a little bit more basic. So pretty much this was just a video to sum up 5 styles of eyeliner that you could always do. Most of them are daily, some of them are for more bold night, but I just want to thank you for coming to watch. I hope you subscribe to my channel and you like this video. I also hope that you go pick up your own Maze Cali liner because it is very good and I'm very happy that I got to work with this company. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, make sure you share it with your friends, and please come back for my next video. The link to this product is going to be in my description. Make sure you go try it, order it, tell me how you like it, and always comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time.